How to report missing or incorrect food on DoorDash. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can report missing or incorrect food on DoorDash. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your DoorDash application. Now then tap on the orders option at the bottom right corner. Now on the orders tab, you have to choose the order where something was missing or incorrect. Then tap on help under that order. Then you have to select the issue. You could select the problem such as missing items, wrong items, incorrect customization, or the other problems, whatever problem that you have on that order. Then you have to follow the prompts where you can select the items affected, choose how you want the issue to be resolved, whether you want to go for refund, redelivery, or through the credits process. You could also add comments and photos if needed. Once you're done with that, now tap on submit and then you have to wait for the DoorDash response, which you will get within a minute. So that's the way to report missing or incorrect items on DoorDash, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.